Hi everybody, hi-ho, Silver here. Happy Father's Week, dudes. Today is the second day of daily sales. We got silver soap bars and the last of the 2017 cast buttons. Each piece has a reduced price and will ship for free to the US with this certificate of authenticity and a brilliant uncirculated peppermint, dudes. Mint condition. Today's daily prize, dudes, right here. Uncirculated 1982. Beautiful George Washington commemorative $50. And if you share an unboxing video of any of the items sold this week, you'll be entered for a chance to win this from the Connoisseur Series, dudes. A beautiful 2-ounce bunker baby. Prize and contest rules are in the description. Okay, dudes, let's get to it.